the water's deep, I'm gonna toe the line. Oh, living on the edge. Yeah, I'll make these dark skies blue. I'll make these mountains move. Let the rain come down and I'm pushing through. Yeah, 'cause I'm the weatherman. Oh, my thunder strike, ride out the storm. I'm the weatherman. Oh, my breaking light, shake up the world. I'm the weatherman. Oh, yeah, I'm the weatherman. Oh, I'm the weatherman. The sting of the arrow from Babylon, the weight of the world that I carried on. Oh, living on the edge. Ha! There ain't no stone gonna pull me down to the bottom of the ocean and break the ground. Oh, still I'm on the edge. Oh, I'll make these dark skies blue. I'll make these mountains move. Let the rain come down and I'm pushing through. Hey, ha! 'Cause I'm the weatherman. My thunder strike, ride out the storm. I'm the weatherman. Oh, my breaking light, shake up the world. I'm the weatherman. Oh, yeah, I'm the weatherman. Oh, I'm the weatherman. I'm the weatherman. Oh, cause I'm the weatherman. Oh, my thunder strike, ride out the storm. I'm ride out the storm. Oh, my breaking light, shake up the world. I'm the weatherman. Shake up the world. I'm the weatherman. Hey, yeah, I'm the weatherman. Cause I'm the weatherman. I'm the weatherman.
This dance is called Shake Up the World, choreographed by Debbie Rushton. It's a 52 count, 2-wall, phrase, intermediate level line dance. Their part A, 32 counts, part B, 20 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A, B, A, B, A, B, 16 counts, A, A. Now let me go over part A. Part A has 32 counts. Section 1, part A, starting with right foot, toe, heel, cross, left foot, toe, heel, cross, right foot, side, touch, vine quarter left, side behind, quarter turn left, forward, facing 9, step right foot forward, pivot quarter turn left, cross, facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, quarter turn right, left foot back, hit your right, half turn right, right foot forward, hit your left, quarter turn right, left foot side, facing 6, right foot, rock back, recover, right foot, side rock, recover, cross, run around, 3/4 turn to your left, stepping, left, right, left. Now you're facing 9 o'clock. Section 3, right diagonal, forward, touch and clap, at right shoulder height, left diagonal, back, touch and clap, at left hip height. Right diagonal, vine, side behind, side, angle body facing 7:30. Left diagonal, forward, touch and clap, at left shoulder height. Right diagonal, back, touch and clap, at right hip height. Left diagonal, vine, side behind, side, angle body facing 10:30. Section 4, step right foot forward, swing arm, and click your right, pivot half turn left, click your right, quarter turn left, side rock recover cross facing 12, left diagonal, left foot, forward, touch right, right foot back, kick your left, behind side cross. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. With counts for part A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now let me go over styling option on count 4 on the 2nd, 4th, and 5th A. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now stomp right foot to the side, lift left leg slightly to the left. Push your hands to the side. 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then continue the dance. Now let me go over part B. Part B has 20 counts. Section 1, part B, starting with the right foot, big step. Side, left foot, rock back, recover. Quarter turn to your right, left foot, big step. Side, right foot, rock back, recover. Quarter turn right, right foot, big step. Side, left foot, rock back, recover. Quarter turn right, left foot, big step. Side, right foot, rock back, recover. Now you're facing 9. Section 2, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 12, left foot, rock forward, recover, coaster step. Right diagonal, kick right foot forward, behind side cross. Left foot, kick to the left diagonal, behind side cross. Section 3, 4 count. Stomp right foot to the side, hold and bend the knees. Circle body from right to left, right foot, rock back, recover, step forward, pivot half turn to your left, facing 6 o'clock. This is part B with the count 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. The third B, you will dance 16 counts, then restart, connect to A. Now let me show you the third B, facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. This is the end of 16 count. Now restart the dance into A. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.